Hello, Martin Boeddeker here from FindFocus, and in this video I will show you the best way to make money online, and more specifically why this video is about how to make money online with Kartra. As you might know, there's different ways to make money online. It's not just Kartra. There's doing affiliate marketing for all kinds of products. There's courses and info products. There's services and working as a freelancer. And of course, you can sell all types of physical products. A while ago, I hosted the Pareto Summit where I interviewed more than 40 different entrepreneurs and online marketers and experts on how to make money online. As you can see here, I interviewed AJ Roberts, John Lee Dumas, Jim Edwards, and a lot of other really successful people. Mike Filsaime, who was one of the founders of Kartra, and I learned a lot about how to make money online, especially about the things that work and the things that do not work. One thing that I really learned from Perry Marshall is that you should always be suspicious of complicated things. You should be even more suspicious of people who make simple things complicated. And when I had a look at all the different business models, I really found that making money online is pretty simple. You just need a really great product and bring that to the market who needs this product. As you can see on this graph here, it's all about the 80-20 principle. That means people who are in this part of the graph are willing to pay for the same product, are paying like infinitely more money than other people. And I want to give you a short example of this. This went viral some time ago, and this is basically a banana taped to a wall, and this sold in an art fair for $120,000, which is insane. So it's like you can make money with all kind of crazy stuff, but usually you need some kind of substance to this. So as I said, making money online is really simple. You need a product and you need to serve it to the right market. This banana example is like just one prime example of the power of the Pareto Summit, and because there's not many people in the world where you can sell a banana to with some kind of duct tape for $120,000. It's just insane, but this is a real life example. When I had a look at Kartra's website and their affiliate website, I found this graphic, and I really like their tagline: if it isn't easy, it isn't Kartra. Of course, there's different solutions out there like ClickFunnels and Kajabi, and I will do a full review of Kartra in another video and do a full tutorial and tell you more about the Kartra pricing and how to build a landing page with Kartra and all of this, but this is not what this video is about. But one word about the software. What I really like about this is that you have all the different elements in one place. It's really an all-in-one marketing software. It allows you to build fully automated market campaigns in minutes. And these are just some screenshots I took from their website as well. During my interviews for the Pareto Summit, I interviewed all of these really famous marketers, and a lot of them really raved about the software. And that's why I decided to build my summit on this platform as well. This is something I will show you or that you might have experienced already. Otherwise, you will find a link below in the description. What do I like about Kartra and why I believe it's the best way to make money online? I found that a lot of methods online do not work for people who are just starting out. And the methods that typically work and that you will be advertised to if you're watching this video are typically like some opportunities with affiliate marketing, with selling courses or information products, or Kartra as a service, or like offering any type of freelance services to clients. But not all of these methods are created equal. You need to leverage your skills, time, and money. And what many people do not realize, if you want to sell information products, you need all three of them. So you need the skills to teach something valuable, you need time to build everything out, or a lot of money to either reach your target market or to hire somebody to build it out for you. And this can easily and typically cost like more than $10,000. I'm not saying this does not work, but it requires way more resources and assets on your part than most people, especially if you're a beginner, have. The other option is to recommend software like Kartra to people who want to sell information products and courses online. And of course, there's the option that you learn a specific skill like designing websites with Kartra or any other software out there and build out these funnels for other people and get paid basically as a freelancer. Many of the people who are watching this video do not have a lot of money. They want to make money. They maybe do not even have the skills to make money, and they might have a lot of time or not. But basically, you will need to build a successful business online. You will need at least two of these elements. Two of the most important skills if you want to sell anything online are typically designing your website and writing compelling sales copy. So you're able to present your product in a way that makes it desirable for your target customers. You will find a link to all the resources that the experts recommended on the Pareto Summit down in the description. The other thing that you need is time, and not all time is created equal. If you're working in a highly focused state, that's much different than if you're working in a noisy office environment where your colleague pokes you on the shoulder every 5 minutes, or you just check your email every 5 minutes and you're distracted all the time. You will notice that you will make much more mistakes and will get a lot less done. That's why I also put a link to my book FindFocus in the description below. I did the math on the different business models. If you want to make money online, the best way to get started is to offer your service directly. I know you get pitched a lot by a lot of gurus about, you need to create your own information product and sell your course online, but there's huge costs that these people typically do not talk about. The main problem why this business model does not work if you really need money is because there's a lot of cost involved that you need to invest upfront to make this business model work. You need a way to find traffic. You either need to work for it or you have to pay a lot of money for this with paid advertising. You need to learn how to convert your product, meaning to make the people buy. And it's really hard to turn a profit and make this business profitable. You can recommend, for example, a software like Kartra to other people. That means you're not only getting paid directly for the work that you do, but you also get 40% recurring income and commissions as long as your customer and client stays with Kartra. So in this business model, you can sell funnels to other people, to other coaches who want to sell information products and charge $1,000 for them or $5,000 depending on the amount of work that you put into, and of course depending on your personal positioning and what kind of skills you can bring to the table. And after you've built the funnel, you can charge a retainer for ongoing marketing services to them. And even if they decide they will not pay you by the hour or on the retainer, you will still get the recurring commissions from Kartra. Personally, I've decided to do freelancing and doing affiliate commissions and build the affiliate commissions over time. And that's why I'm creating this video, for example, about Kartra. If you want to generate this kind of affiliate commissions, there are different ways to do this. And there's typically active ways and there's passive ways. For example, you can learn a lot about SEO and or run paid advertisements on Facebook. You can do organic marketing on Facebook or Pinterest or any other platform out there. But you really need to know your numbers. If you want to make money online, you really need leverage, and you need to leverage your skills, time, and money. If you want to make money online, you need a system like Kartra that simply works. You need a way to get a product in front of the right market. And you need to be aware of the Pareto principle. Why do I like Kartra so much? Because it's the easiest way to get your product in front of the right market. As you know, during the summit, I interviewed a lot of experts. A lot of them raved about Kartra. For some of them who are working in different niches, Kartra is the only system they recommend to their clients. So here are a few sections where we talked about Kartra during the Pareto Summit.
I love building the funnels in Kartra. I love doing the logic behind it. But I love the technology so much. I loved how Kartra works so much that I made a business out of it. So basically, I just started to build systems made in Kartra for others.
Why did you choose Kartra?
Yeah, man. I still use Kartra because I love it's very well done. You know, there's so what Kartra is, it's a lot of things, to be honest, together, but you might be familiar with different funnel building softwares, ClickFunnels, Builderpreneur, Kartra. I don't know how many other ones there are out there, but what Kartra is really, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. So it has funnel building, it has, email platform, it has help support desk built in, so many things built in together, and all this kind of stuff. It's just really, really cool platform. I love it, and that's why I use it. It's really easy to use, and yeah, I definitely recommend. Try it out at least, see how you like it, and I'm sure you will fall in love, because I know I did.
Hey Martin, this is Mauricio Acevedo, man. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to thank you so much for introducing me to Kartra. That call when you jumped with me and showed me how to use it was great. Kartra is an incredible platform, an all-in-one solution, and I appreciate very much that you showed me the ropes, and I ran all my summit through it, and it was great. So thanks again, man. I appreciate it. See you later.
If you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment below, and if you want to try Kartra, I've created a special bonus for you, and you will find all the details in the description.